Welcome back. Now let us try to take a look again on this following exercise. It says, identify the coordinates of the point described in each of the following. The letter A, 5 and 2/3 units to the left of 3. Meaning, unsa daw na nga coordinate nga 5 and 2/3 units to the left of 3. What's the meaning ana niya? So, let's take a look first on our real number line. Okay? Aha man ang 3. Well, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay? So let me just put some values here. -1, -2, -3. Okay. So aha man ang point 3 dani. So where is the coordinate of point 3? So kani mo na siya, di ba? This is the point 3. So meaning niya, to the left daw, meaning you need to move or to count 5 and 2/3 units to the left. Meaning, you need to jump, no? 5 and 2/3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So meaning ng 2/3. Pila mo ng 2/3? Well, dili ka butog isa, but if i-divide mo na siya og katulunin ko, mag-ingana na, this is 1/3, 2/3, right? Bale, dili ka mo end. Okay? And what is this coordinate? Unsa man nga coordinate bale? Unsa man nga point? Will you agree nga this is -2, this is -3? So somehow, this is what? -2 and 1/3. Kani siya, -2 and 2/3. So, napin -2. Will you agree with that? So, bali, kani day nga point is -2 and 2/3. So, bali, ang answer kay -2, oo, -2 and 2/3. Okay? Ingana lang. How do we do that? Ipa-jump na to ang point, no? To the left. Meaning 5 and 2/3 units. So meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pa man na siya. Mo-jump pa siya balik 2/3. Meaning, dili ka butog 1, dili pod, no? So meaning, i-divide na to ang line og kani 3. So meaning, kaduha siya na, no? Duha ka. This is 1/3, this is 2/3. So ingon ana na 2/3. And we found out that if we try to draw it carefully, it will look -2 and 2/3. But this will be one. This approach is very nice, but if you need to draw this all the time, then mahutdan ka og di ka ka-answer tanan sa problem. So, what do we mean by this? Algebraically, this actually means what? Basta to the left gani, meaning ana is minusan niya, no? Ang meaning lang gid ana bitaw is 3 minus 5 and 2/3. Meaning anang minus, you move to the left. Okay? 5 and 2/3 unit. Ang idea. 3 minus 5 and 2/3. And what is that? 3 minus 5 and 2/3? Pinagkakuan na is, how do we do that? Well, kung maglisod tawag ko, let's express first, no? Let us express first kanang 5 and 2/3. Express ato na siya in terms of improper fraction. Or dito maglibog, no? So 3 minus, how do we express that in terms of improper fraction? 3 times 5, that's 15, plus 2, we make that 17 over 3, right? Tama ba? Tama ko, no? 17 over 3. So, that's 3 minus 17 over 3. Kanya, kay kabalo man ta mo, no? Meaning, ana, mas dako man ang 17 over 3 kontra sa 3. Ang gibuhato nato ana kay, I think we know now by this time kung pila yung answer na, no? So, we first get the LCD. So, the LCD is actually 3. So, this is 3 over 1, right? Basta whole number, 3 over 1 may yung denominator. So, 3. So, if you want to make that 3, so that's what? 3 divided by 1 times 3. So, we have 3, no, that's 9. 9 over 3. 9 over 3. 3 ba ang 9 over 3? 9 divided. O, tama, no? So, 9/3. So, yapon na siya. Kanina 17 over 3. So, more or less, I think we know now by this time that the answer will be 9 minus 17. That's what? Negative what? No, 9. Kuhaan og 17. So, negative 8. Do you agree? Well, kung mora mo nag-meaning no, na kay 9 pesos dayon waan na kay utang nga 17 no, waan kag 17. So na utangan pa ka og balig 8, kulang pa kag 8 so negative 8 over 3. Okay? A negative 8 over 3 is actually equal to negative 2 and 2/3. How do we get negative 2 and 2/3 from that? Well, pwede man mo na i-divide ng 8 og 3, di ba? 8 divide 3. That's what? 2 times 3, that's 6. And here, so we'll have here 2 and 2/3. Okay? Negative, of course. So, bale, pag mingon kay kag to the left, minusan lang nimo ang number ana. Kung kag to the right, adan lang nimo ang number. Just like this one. 10 and 7 units to the right of negative 37, meaning ana lang niya kay negative 37 plus 10 over 7. Ang answer will be what? Well, ang answer here will be, what's ang answer? Negative 3 plus 10, that's negative, no, that's positive, right? Anong positive 7 kaya ang answer na? I-subtract lang nimo sila, pero i-retain nimo kung kinsa ang mas negative, okay, ay mas positive, mas dako og sign. In this case, ang 10 man ang naip dako og sign, positive man ang 10, so that will be, or mura mo nag-ingon ani ba? Negative 3 plus 10, okay, over 7. Nya karon kung negative 3 plus 10, di sila parehag sign, so imong subtract. It's 10 minus 3, then i-fix nimo ang sign kung kinsa ang naay pinakadako nga kuno value. Positive man ang 10, so that will be 7 over 7. That's equal to 1, okay? 1 bali ang answer dire. Ingana lang ka kuno, ingana lang ang idea. Simple lang. If we draw that in the real number line, well, aha man makita ng negative 3, 7. Somehow, na siya daani, no? Na siya daari dapit, and you jump 10 to the 7 units, that is 1 and 3, 7 after jump here, you end up getting here. Marag na siya daari dapit ang negative 3, 7. Marag na siya daari dapit. Okay? Okay? You could express this in terms of fraction of decimal if you want to really pinpoint that. But ang idea diha, when you jump to the right, you just add. If you jump to the left, you subtract. Okay? Tingnan lang ka simple. Thank you.